Hey y'all, this is Brian, and you're watching Big South Outdoors TV. Today I've got a little project, a kind of a honey-do list thing, and I'm gonna be taking you along for the ride and show you, what's going on and how I intend to. Blah, 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 blah. Let's try that again. How I intend to fix it. Well, before we get into it, be sure and click the like button and click the subscribe button. Guys, my analytics are telling me that 95% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed to my channel. Guys, come on, what are you waiting for? This is a great channel, at least I think it is, and I get a lot of great response, but people click on my videos and they never subscribe to my channel. Come on, join my family. This is not just about me. This is a family thing. It's a family venture, and I want you to be a part of my family. So anyway, enough of that. Just be sure and click the subscribe button, and when you do, click the notification bell so you don't miss any content. Okay, on with the festivities. So, what are we doing today? Well, as you notice, you may not be able to. You're in the back of Flossie's car, and I'm going to take the camera off of the tripod, and I'm going to show you what's going on with her vehicle and how I intend to fix it. So we are in Flossie's vehicle, and this is a 2006 Jeep Liberty, and it has 187,246 miles on it. But there's one area of the 2006 Jeep Liberties. I don't know if it was a defect or I don't know what it was, but anyway, every now and then, this is what the signal lights do. This is the right one. I don't know if the camera's picking that up or not. And then the left one was working, and it's working again. But every now and then, it won't work either. There's one problem that has showed up with the signal lights and everything in this vehicle, and you think, well, when it does that, the bulb is blown. Well, it's not. I'm going to show you what it is. This is the right side back tail light, signal light, backup light assembly, and I got my old trusty Pittsburgh, my Harbor Freight Special Torx screwdriver. And this is a, let me see, it should be on here. No, it's not. It says chrome, but that's all it says. I don't know exactly what size it is. But anyway, it fits these screws right here. So I'm going to take these out, and I'm going to show you what the problem is. I know a lot of you are saying, well, this is an outdoor channel. Well, I am outdoors. You can't very well work on something like this in the house, but or in a shop. But I try to put a little something on my channel that everybody can enjoy, get some entertainment out of, and actually learn something. So that is that out now. Sounds like there's something loose in there. That's never happened before. But this is the signal light. You can look in there and see the amber bulb. I don't know. Yeah, the bulb's come out. That's what's wrong with it. And I know why it came out. I may have to have a screwdriver to pry this thing out with. But let me go ahead and do that because I don't want to break anything. You just gently put your flat tip in there, wiggle it through there, and then turn it. I'll do it on this side, and you should be able to just pull it right out. There we go. Yeah, see, oh, I see what's it. I don't know if you can tell that on the inside, but it's broke. But anyway, let me see if I can get this bulb out of here. Now, for those of you, I dropped the bulb. For those of you that may not know, I don't know if I'm hoping the camera's picking this up. If you look inside that bulb, you can see the filaments. That bulb is good. Neither one of them are burned in two. And that's how you can tell if a bulb is blowed. So, what am I going to do to fix this? Well, out with the old and in with the new. This is a brand new. You can get this on Amazon, and actually what I will do, there's the part number right there. I hope the camera's picking that up. I will put a link to the Amazon listing in the description below, so you can find this if you have a Jeep Liberty 2006 model, or if you know somebody else that does. But anyway, you just pop this bad boy in. It only goes one way, and this one's tight, so it's going to be kind of difficult because it actually clips in, and you'll hear it click. I don't want to bust the that thing is tight. Let me cut the camera off because I'm gonna have to get a rag. Alright, y'all, I got the new one installed. As you can see, the bulb is in there. Let me go around here. Let me turn the ignition on and see what we got. That is, if I can find the key. There it is. Get in here and see if ye old signal light works on the right side. Alright, cross your fingers, everybody. Yeah, there we go. Now, the left one is working, the right one is working, but I'm still going to check that left one out to see what's going on. Now, the way you get these things reinstalled, you see you got a pin down there. You got to line that up there, and then that pin goes in that hole right there. It's a little tricky, and it just snaps into place, and then you put the screws in it. You line those holes up, and you put these screws back in there. That's one. And line right up. Go on, mosquito. And that's two. Now let's move around to the front. Now I'm just going to take this off and see. I don't know if this is the right size. I don't think it is. It's not. Alright, I found the right size Torx head. Now we're going to take this loose. I hope we don't break anything. Oh, it's the same kind of apparatus. Looking at the filament. It doesn't look blown. Let me check the socket. I'll come back here. Socket looks good. what? Let's see if I can get this off. Y'all, I've checked this bulb and the socket 5 ways from Sunday, and I can't find anything wrong with it. So I cleaned it really good, and I'm gonna put it back on there, reinstall it, and see what happens. Sometimes they get some dirt in them, get some trash in them, or moisture, and they temporarily stop working. So I'm gonna see what it does, see how it acts. This thing's wanting to be cussed and not, there we go, not go up in there right. And I feel drops of rain coming. Raindrops keep falling on my back. All right, that's it. See what we got. Had to get my tool bag out of the way. Oh, Hawk, I'm just gonna take you with me. I'm gonna open the door. All right, let me turn the ignition on. Let me close this door so it'll quit dinging. Well, no, it didn't. All right, there's the right one. It's still working. And the left one's working. So for now, for now, everything is kosher. Everything's working. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to walk outside. I'm going to turn the 4-ways on. I'm going to walk outside and make sure everything's blinking like it's supposed to. Okay, the left front, or the driver's side front, passenger front, and passenger back. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this episode. Sometimes you have to work on the honey-do list. I know sometimes it can be overwhelming. Daggone, my glasses are fogging up. Humidity is crazy out here. But anyway, sometimes you have to stop what you're doing and kind of work on that honey-do list. But anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you're enjoying the channel. And when you do, click that notification bell. This is Brian with Big South Outdoors TV saying live big, live southern, and live outdoors. And my glasses are fogging up again.